Hiya, I'm Joe. I'm a stand-up comedian, I love food, and I certainly know my way around the kitchen. You know what, let's take this outside. Let me be honest, I'm not a chef. I'm not professionally trained, I don't have classical methods, and I don't pretend to either. I'm just your average Joe. I learned to cook from a bunch of Italian women who love to scream over themselves and one very stubborn Italian male. All in all, they did alright. Unlike most internet cooks, I don't use fancy filters or have crazy elaborate camera tricks. And I don't pride myself on irrelevant things like having cute, colorful dinnerware. What I do pride myself on is roasting, braising, sauteing, and of course, eating. So if you're looking for some delicious recipes, a little motivation, and a chuckle or two, you know exactly where to look. Right here at